frosting. So the materials you need are the hand mixer, a mixing bowl, a sifter for sifting your sugar, an icing bag. If you don't have icing bag, you can use an improvised icing bag, icing tips, some tablespoon and teaspoon. You can also use a normal tablespoon and teaspoon, a measuring cup, and a rubber scraper. For leveling, you can also use the back of the knife. If you want exact measurements, you can use a weighing scale. Make sure your materials are dry and clean to avoid adding moisture to your frosting. The ingredients that we need are the unsalted butter, some evaporated milk, confectioner or powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and any mamon. It can be from the supermarket or you can make your own. Since I'm going to make a Valentine mamon, I'm going to be using some Valentine decorations, or you can use decorative sprinkles. Now let's start making it. We have all our ingredients and materials, so first is to put 1 whole bar of unsalted butter into the bowl. Then beat this up for 5 minutes at a medium setting. Now we're done. Next is to gradually add 2 to 4 cups of powdered or confectioner sugar. Make sure your sugar is sifted because the airspace is included in the measurement. Mix it for around 5 to 8 minutes. After adding 2 cups, you can now check onto the consistency if it's thick or the taste. And if you like the taste of it, you can stop adding. Let's try it. I think it tastes good to me. Next is to add 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Mix this around 2 minutes. Finally, we need to put 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it again for around 2 minutes. If it's foamy, we're ready to decorate. And if it also doesn't fall down from your spatula or spoon. Let's test it out. Ooh, does it fall? Wait, that's some nice frosting. Now let's start decorating. Since I'm gonna make a Valentine cupcake, I'm gonna use Valentine designs. First, I'm gonna put some frosting on this piping bag. You can also use an improvised piping bag using Ziploc or wax paper. Put this tip inside. Make sure it's tightly in there without airspace. Just like so. Next, we're gonna use our non-dominant hand and put this around. Like this. Then we're gonna make a hole right here. We're gonna use our thumb for scraping the frosting off the spoon. Now let's start decorating. Did you know that icing is thin and smooth, while our frosting here is thick and textural? And here's our Valentine cupcake. So if you want to see more videos, just go to my channel. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Now it's time to taste it. 3, 2, 1. The frosting is sweet when it's just alone. And with the cupcake, it tastes pretty good. And also with that candy, it's also like crunchy. Bye!